Isang magandang Martes po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang September 14, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. 102 days na lang, Pasko na. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chudoro. Ako po isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ating financial news ay tungkol sa Malapaya shutdown at ang mga stocks na apektado nito. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines sa resulta ng trading sa ating PSA ngayong araw, ika-14 ng Setyembre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, so let's start with the macro news. Philippine August dollar reserves gets boost from IMF. So merong nag-boost siya o dumami siya dahil nag-increase yung reserves due to additional allocation of the special drawing rights given by the IMF to increase global liquidity. Baka utang ito. Baka inutang natin ito, no, yung dollars. First ever retail dollar bonds for sale starting September 15. Okay, so meron siyang 5-year and 10 years. Gas plants to operate on diesel fuel starting during Malapaya Field's temporary closure. This is the sectoral news. MWIDE formalizes preferred share subscription agreement with Citicorp. MREIT to grow portfolio to 1 million square meters. All Day opens more stores, targets 100 by 2026. So let's now go to the sectoral news. Here on Malapaya Field's temporary closure, KEPCO Ilihan Corp confirmed that the SMC-run 1,200 megawatt Ilihan combined cycle natural gas plant will run on diesel fuel during Malapaya gas field's scheduled maintenance shutdown from October 2 to 22. In another development, MER conveyed that about 1,900 megawatts of its gas-fueled contracted capacity are no longer supplied with gas by the Malapaya field. Malapaya operator Shell Pilipinas Exploration BV indicated that the offshore platform conducted some maintenance over the weekend, which impacted on gas supply delivery to FGEN. Separately, FGEN said that its 3 natural gas plants, namely Santa Rita, San Lorenzo, and Avion, will also be running on liquid fuel in October, while San Gabriel will be switched off since it can only run on natural gas. So ang commentary niya, the use of expensive liquid fuels should have minimal impact on profitability for nat gas plants of FGEN and SMC given their pass-on provisions for fuel costs. However, we note that one downside risk to our earnings forecast for FGEN stemming from the inability of its San Gabriel plant to ship to liquid fuel, and 2, some supply risk to both companies depending on the respective plants' abilities to ship fuel source in a timely manner and ensure energy availability. So we'll be looking at FGEN and SMC later on. In the meantime, let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So the Philippine Stock Exchange Index declined by 47.78 points or 0.69% to end at 6920.36. However, you will note, please note na at one point during the day, nag-high po siya ng 7,033, no? So na-breach na po yung 7,000 level. And there was net foreign buying today. Pero na-overcome siya ng local selling, ano? Now, RSI is bullish at 58 and our indicators is pointing that the stock exchange is still bullish, no? At least for the index. Now, the market summary naman ay 121 companies declined, 70 advanced while 54 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 0.23%. However, the financials, holding companies, industrials, mining, and properties also declined, while services was in the green at 0.27%. Ngayon, on the market status naman, let's review FGEN, SMC, MWIDE, Glow, TEL, MONDE, and Converge. So let's now start with FGEN. Okay, FGEN declined by 15 centavos. Nandito lang po siya sa taas. Nagko-consolidate lang po siya dito. So let's draw a box here. And it's here because there is a new investor coming in. So the topmost is our resistance, which comprises of a thin trading range of 32.21, which is our resistance, and 31.73 as our support. However, bullish pa rin based dito sa ating mga indicators with RSI at 64. And then SMC. Tingnan po natin si SMC. Okay. SMC naman is also bullish with the stock consolidating at this level. So 1, 2, 3, 4 days po siya nagko-consolidate, gaining 250 now today with volume, So pagka nakikita po natin yung green candlestick with volume, ay nakikita po natin na at some point ay baka magkaroon ng tataas po ang stock in the coming days. RSI is also bullish at 62 with the next resistance level here at 120. Yun po nearest. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Now, MWIDE. So, MWIDE naman is, tumaas siya, At there is an above average volume. And if you will see, yung ating short and medium term indicators are already under the candlestick indicating a bullish trend. But the long term is still above our indicators. So, pagka tumaas pa yan, ay maaring masabi natin may definite trend na po tayo. Lalo na po pagka nag-crossover yung short term sa medium term. At yung long term po natin, yung black line, ay under the short and medium term. Yan po yung masasabi nating bullish yung stock. In the meantime po, ang ating nearest resistance is here at 670. Yun po ang ating insight for MWIDE. Then Glow. Yan. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin si Glow, After consolidating for about 2 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2 weeks, ay lumarga na rin si Glow. And it's up 84 centavos or 84 pesos at 2.72. But fundamentally, 2,000 lang po siya, ang kanyang presyo. Pero technically, meron po siyang strong trend upwards as our indicators is giving these signals. RSI is already overbought at 82.28. Now, yung nearest resistance, I think this is the highest already for Glow, 3.28. Na-reach ba niya? Yes. So, yung high po niya ay na-reach po niya today at 32.80. Net foreign buying po siya. So, this is the highest so far. And let's put resistance or support at this area here. Nasa 2690 to 2700 po yung support ni Glow. And then, tingnan po natin si TEL. Si TEL kanina nag-break uli. So, nagko-consolidate pa rin siya. And it is a green candlestick today with a high of 1514. So, nandito po siya. At yung pinaka-resistance po niya nasa 1530. So, bullish na po si TEL. Actually, it's bullish for the past 2 or 3 weeks with RSI at 66. Support is here at 1450. 1450 po yung support ni TEL. And then, MONDE. Ngayon, tingnan po natin si MONDE. Yun, may breakout si MONDE. Katulad po dito, may breakout po dito noong September 7, nag-breakout uli po siya dito, and the trend is moving upwards actually. Yung short-term indicator po natin is right under the candlestick, followed by the medium-term indicator indicating a bullish trend. RSI is also bullish at 69. So, nearest support po niya ay nandito po sa 17 pesos. Again, when we talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. Then finally, Converge. Converge is one stock na merong strong trend. Yan, no? Tumataas pa rin siya. And yung papansin niyo, yung RSI is already overbought, ano? Pero kung titingnan po natin, ang DMI, no? DMI, ay tingnan po natin yung nasa yung DMI niya. Okay. Yung DMI po niya is above 30, which would mean that there is a definite trend upwards. Kaya po, it doesn't really matter if the RSI is already overbought. As long as the DMI is above 30, it will continue to be overbought. Meaning, pataas pa rin po ang trend ni Converge. Okay po? So, balik po natin sa basic yan. So, the nearest support, let's take the support at MA20 at 30.89. Yun po ang support natin for Converge with a strong upward trend. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market September 14, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro reminding you, mag-ingat sa COVID, mag-ingat sa scam. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. God bless and bye for now.